What's going on, YouTube? It's about 5:30 in the morning. We're gonna do a little tattooing, but we're gonna be using the gun that everybody has questions about, a homemade gun. Does it work? As you can see, very homemade: tape, mechanical pencil, guitar string. Alright. And here's what we gotta fix so far. That's what we got right there. So, just been threw this thing together and just been doodling on my leg, and it's been about a week now, and the ink's starting to fade a little bit. So, we're just gonna sit here and do what we gotta do. So, let me get us positioned here. Alright, there we go. Let's get some ink. Having a little malfunction here. A little bit to keep the power source going. Alright, let's try this one more time. I'm gonna fix these little crosses up right here. Those look pretty terrible. Some first time art. Oh, hey now, yeah. Oh. Hurts a little bit, but it's not too bad. I'll just give you a basic idea of what we're working with here. Now our crosses, you see, are a little darker. Of course, it's not going to look the best because it's free-handed, but if you take a look, you can see this stuff is near faded, so we're going to go ahead and touch that up. We'll see how that goes. Try to get you a good angle here. Probably gonna have to up the batteries here in a minute. It's pretty fun if you are like me and get bored in the middle of the night. Fixing some ridiculous letters people were asking. Kind of sounds ridiculous when I tell them I use a homemade gun, but it is what it is. It's all good. Got the hell done. So, we got about 7 minutes here. I'll do a little bit more just to show you guys that this actually does work. It is very fun to build. You'll have a good time with it. Stay safe though, you know. Don't want parents bitching about none of that nonsense. Not too bad. I'll finish this G here and I'll show you guys what it does for you. If you guys are wondering what kind of ink I'm using, it's actually tattoo ink. Bought it off my buddy. Alright, and here you can see the lines are getting a little darker, but I mean, I'm not done, but I'm not going to sit here and have you guys watch me this whole time. So this is just a video showing you that this gun does work, and it is not a joke. But I'm going to get finished up here. Got a couple hours ahead of me because it does take a while. You know, it's not professional shit, but it's all good. Alright, well, I will answer any questions or comments that you guys have for me. Take it easy.